Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
So today is the 24th of December, the day that I'm filming this video. So it is Christmas Eve today, and I've literally just been editing all day. My family and I don't typically really do anything on Christmas Eve, usually on Christmas Day. So I've been editing my video to go up today, and it's finally uploaded for you guys. But the day that you guys will be watching this video, it will be officially Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas to all of you guys watching this video. And that also means that today is the last day of Vlogmas, which is so crazy to me. I've always wanted to do Vlogmas, and I've just never done it because I never thought I would be able to do it. I didn't want to like say that I was gonna do something and then quit midway or let you guys down. I knew that when I finally decided that I wanted to participate in Vlogmas, that I wanted to make sure to fully commit and do it all the way through. I didn't have classes from the whole time that I've been doing Vlogmas from when I started to now, so I thought that this would be the perfect timing for me to participate in Vlogmas. And honestly, I was very scared. I didn't know how I was gonna do this, my first time ever doing it, like I said. So I was like a little bit worried. I also don't have the best sleep schedule ever. I wake up super late. A lot of these vlogs have started out later in the day, and it's definitely been a roller coaster. There was one day that I ended up posting my Vlogmas at like 12:15 in the morning on Eastern Standard Time. So like technically I was a little bit late on one day, but technically it was still in the same day on like the West Coast time, like California time. So I'm just going to take it upon myself to say that I completely successfully accomplished Vlogmas. Like, I didn't miss a day. I did every single day. Some of them weren't vlogs, some of them were sit-down videos, but you guys actually seem to like the sit-down videos way better than my actual vlogs. I know that my Vlogmas didn't necessarily do as well as other videos on my channel, which I was kind of expecting because it can be very overwhelming to watch everyone's Vlogmas, along with the fact I feel like people do get tired sometimes maybe of like somebody posting every single day. Also, I think that you guys actually might like my sit-down videos better. I'm not too sure. I know that I do get a lot of requests for vlogs a lot, so I think maybe it was just the fact that I was vlogging so much that when I posted a sit-down video, it was like a little bit more refreshing to have it change up a little bit. But I just want to say to those of you who have been keeping up with my Vlogmas, even if it wasn't every single one, even if it was every other one or just a few here and there, if you have watched my Vlogmas, I want to say thank you so much. I'm truly so appreciative to anybody who has watched my Vlogmas. I have been working so hard to film, edit, and upload every single day. Sometimes film 2 videos in one day, sometimes film and edit and upload in the same day. I was definitely busting my butt to make sure that I would not miss anything and do well for you guys, and at the same time I had a lot of fun doing it. I'm honestly like, it was really hard, so like I'm kind of ready to take a break, but at the same time it's a little bit bittersweet because it's over, and like it went by surprisingly so fast. Like in the beginning I was like, oh dang, this is gonna be a long month, like I'm gonna be filming and editing and uploading every single day. But now that it's literally the last day that I'm vlogging, it's kind of crazy to me because I feel like I just started yesterday and I was like so nervous and everything. I told myself at the beginning of this that I wanted to look back and be so proud of myself for accomplishing it and sticking to it and being determined and consistent, and I can officially say that I have done that, and I'm very, very proud of myself. I think even my parents are proud of me for doing it too, and friends and everything. So to anybody that was like supporting me through it and helping me through it and motivating me through it, thank you to you as well. And anybody who's been commenting and liking and viewing, again, thank you so much. Like I said, it didn't get a ton of views, but even if a few of you guys enjoyed my Vlogmas, that's all that matters to me. Like, I'm just happy that there's even anybody out there that cares to literally just watch my boring everyday life. That's so crazy to me. So thank you guys so much for that. I'm so grateful, and I've had so much fun doing this with you guys. Honestly, so sad. Like, almost don't want it to be over, but I don't think I could ever become a daily vlogger, and I know you guys are probably ready for my regular uploads to come back, but just know now that I've done Vlogmas, there's definitely going to be a lot more vlogs incorporated into my channel. I want to incorporate them a ton more. I know that I can film, edit, and upload a vlog all in the same day, so there's no excuse for me. I want to make sure to at least get one vlog up a week for you guys along with my main channel videos. So that's gonna be my goal for 2019, to at least get up one sit down video and one vlog a week. It could become more than that because I just love vlogging for you guys now. It's so much fun, and like I feel like once I do once a week, I'll be able to make like either like week in my life vlogs or a few days in my life and just like make them really, really good. I did obviously put in a lot of effort into Vlogmas, but since you're editing and uploading and everything every day, you don't really get to put your full potential into it. I didn't get to edit it to the full potential because I was rushing and do like all the cool effects that I usually do in my videos. And if I'm doing weekly vlogs, then I can just show you guys like the most exciting parts of my week and the highlights of my week, because it was so hard for me to figure out things to do during Vlogmas because I typically don't do things every single day. I typically don't go out every single day, and I had to come up with things like randomly, even at like 8 at night, just to like get a whole vlog up for you guys. And I'd start my day at 8 p.m. and just come up with like random shit to do for the rest of the day. So if I'm doing week in my lives and posting them once a week, then you guys will get like the best vlogs ever. But again, I've said it like 3 times, but thank you guys so much for watching my Vlogmas, and I'm gonna continue on with the rest of my day. Just so you guys know, it's 10 p.m. on Christmas Eve. I'm starting this vlog tonight because I do want to be able to spend time with my family tomorrow and hang out with them. I'm going to continue this vlog onto tomorrow, but I don't know how much I'm gonna get filmed tomorrow. But I'm basically just going to be wrapping presents. I have some bags, some wrapping paper. I'm gonna set you guys aside while I do that so you guys can watch me wrap some presents. My mom's in the other room. I'm literally doing ASMR right now. My mom is in the other room wrapping presents, and she has no idea. But, oh my god, I can't. I'm literally doing ASMR. She has no idea, but she's been complaining about her computer for like the past few months. And my dad and I got her a laptop. I'm gonna show you. I'm only showing this because this is gonna be up tomorrow after she opens it. But I don't want her to hear me right now. And it's been in my closet for like a while. But we got her a laptop. She literally was like freaking out the other day because her computer wasn't working. And I just like, I couldn't hold it. I was like about to bust out laughing because like I had a new laptop in my closet for her, and she keeps trying to go in my closet and pulling things out, and every time she comes in here, I'm like, no, don't go in there. But I'm gonna wrap it for her. But I'm so excited. She has no idea. She's not gonna see it coming. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap gifts now. I hope you guys enjoyed my ASMR. Let me know down below if I should do a whole video. from my dad. You guys can pause it and read it if you guys want. This is the one I got for my mom.
And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Okay, so I am all done wrapping. I already stepped outside and it looks like Santa has dropped some presents under the tree already. It's so funny because I'm in here wrapping and my mom's been in her room wrapping, and I just like walked out and there's like boxes under the tree. Just take a second and look at how good my mom's wrapping is. She's literally like putting bows on them. Look at this. There's like a perfect slot to put a card right in here. And then there's mine. I mean, they don't look bad from afar, but like definitely not these. So we are about to make some Christmas cookies. These have been here since the beginning of December, and I've literally wanted this style of cookies since Halloween, but they didn't have them on Halloween for some reason. So now I'm about to make these. I'm gonna lay them out on the sheet first, and then you guys can watch me try and make them. My mom is definitely gonna help me, but I'm gonna lay them out on the sheet first.
And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
So we finished making the cookies, and I'm just gonna say they look different than normal, and they even look different when I watched Sam and Omar make them on their vlog too. I was like, why do they look like that? But I don't know, it's like they like made them differently this time. Like these look more normal right here, like you can see it's like more raised, but then these are like up in the center. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but if you do, let me know down below. But they look so good. They're done. These are a little bit more crispier on the bottom than these ones, but I'm just gonna let them dry for a little bit, or dry. I'm just gonna let them cool down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna dig in because I have been craving these cookies literally since Halloween. They're my favorite cookies ever, like the best cookies in the world. Don't at me, they're so good. But anyway, I'm just gonna eat some cookies, drink some hot chocolate, watch some Christmas movies, and then head to bed so I can wake up early tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna drink some hot chocolate out of this mug right here, and maybe I'll treat myself with some coffee in the morning too, out of this mug as well, because it's very appropriate. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna end this day right here. It's not the end of the vlog because I'm still gonna vlog tomorrow as well, but I'm gonna head to bed and I will see you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
My mom put bows on all of the presents and wrapped them so cute, so she wants me so badly to show everybody. But they look really cute under the tree. It's kind of later already. I think it's the afternoon. It's noon time. I woke up at 9, but nobody was awake, so I went back to sleep.
For the first time.
And Lilo here, yeah, because look at my mug.
Yeah, I'm only.
It's only facts. Lilo's here with her dress. Hey guys, so it is much later now. It is 8:20 p.m. and I'm almost done editing the footage that I got from today to upload this video and try and get it up before midnight for you guys. But I didn't really get much footage today because me and my family ate dinner together, and obviously we were spending time together, and I just wanted to spend time with them and not really pull out the camera. But I think the vlog is pretty long already anyway, but I just want to make sure to close out the vlog before I go. So thank you guys so much for watching my Vlogmas again. I hope you guys all had a super amazing and Merry Christmas. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys next time.